Home with Ros Emely. Hope all of you guys are doing super good today and are ready to make this easy family recipe. I'm going to be sharing with you how to make an easy and delicious baked orange chicken. So good, so juicy, and easy to make. I hope you guys can enjoy it, and let's get started with the recipe. So let's start with our delicious orange sauce. Over here I have juice of 7 medium-sized oranges, fresh oranges. We're gonna start to add about 1 tablespoon of honey, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of ginger powder. Now we're gonna mix very well. This is our delicious sauce, super easy. We're gonna set this aside and we're gonna work on our chicken. So here are my chicken. Here 4 leg quarters, and I already cleaned my chicken with vinegar. And now we're gonna season it with salt. I'm adding about 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt in each chicken quarter. And now I'm adding a pinch of ground black pepper on each of the leg quarters. We're gonna add now garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. We're adding dried oregano, a little bit on each chicken, and as well as parsley to your liking and to your taste. And that's about it. With our clean hand, we're gonna massage the chicken, making sure that each ingredient seasoning is well seasoned in each of our chicken quarters. And last but not least, we're gonna add our delicious orange sauce on top of our chicken. So good, guys. Last, I'm just adding fresh orange slices on top. But let me tell you guys something. I will recommend just adding this at the end, because while the chicken was cooking, some of the oranges started to look very burnt. So that is my tip. Do not add these now. Add it after the chicken is well cooked. Now we're gonna bake this in the oven for 1 hour and 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven, or until our chicken is fully cooked. Like you can see, look how delicious our chicken looks, guys. As you can see, I added fresh oranges on top as well. Just presentation, delicious, juicy orange chicken that I hope all of you guys can enjoy and like as well.